Alright, let's activate the bilge pumps. Come on. Oh, there we go. Yee! Just tried to go through the concrete wall into the basement. Woo! Into the puddle you go. And off to the store I go to get a proper solution for this, which is a new float switch. I could leave it running until I get back, but instead I think I'll give it a good drain. Yep. And then shut it down. Perfect. We're back. We stopped at Tim Hortons. And we stopped at Canadian Tire, and I gotta set my coffee down. I'll show you this real quick. This is the solution, a new float switch. Check out that name and that symbol. That'll make sense later. Okay, but for now, I gotta drain my pit using my remote control. All right, you're gonna work this time because we're close enough to the wall. Oh yeah. Alrighty, I can run downstairs and grab a couple zip ties because I don't think those are included in the kit. What happened to your other eyeball there, buddy? Huh. Yeah. Here is the old tilty mix switch on the left. I hope that's the left, if this video is right set up. And the new one is down here, new float switch is down here in the water. So $35 at Canadian Tire. New float switch. Tricky part, the only tricky part is getting that cable the right length so this doesn't hang up on the side here. That happened once, it got hung up on the side when it was trying to float up. But it's a nice short length now, and they call it a 90-degree switch, but it's sort of, to me, it's 45 degrees up, 45 degrees down. Is the way it works in my brain. So when she gets about 45 degrees up above horizontal, it'll kick off and drain it down until she's 45 degrees below horizontal. If you add 45 to 45, that's 90, I guess. Yeah, so you just run that cord separate up to the wall, and there's a little piggyback plug where you plug your pump in. And by having this guy zip tied up here, that stays in the on position. And the original problem was that this old switch had to be jiggled and shook in order for it to engage and for it to disengage. So I played with that for about an hour this morning, jiggling and changing position and stuff until I decided it's probably time for a new switch. So hopefully that one stays stuck in the on position forevermore. And this guy, when it gets high enough, it's going to kick on. Come on now. Right on cue. Going down. Beautiful. Follow that cord back up here. And behind some boxes, and there's the piggyback configuration. So the cord that's in the socket and coming out the right side is the new float switch, and the cord that's coming out the top is the pump. Beauty. And that's how not to replace your pump.